Let's look at a set of tools every marketing analyst should know how to utilize in order to understand the full picture of marketing efforts: website analytics tools. You can certainly use website analytics to inform you about how well ad campaigns are doing or to track e-commerce sales. But website analytics have a much broader application and can help give you insights into who your audience is, how they're finding your site, and what they're looking at on your site, and more. This can help to better strategize not just your marketing efforts, but your brand engagement and your entire online presence as well, whether for a blogger, a small business, a news website, or a massive e-commerce retailer. Web analytics can provide you data about how many visitors you receive, who your visitors are, what they've clicked to get to your site, what pages they like the most and how long they stay on them, what, if anything, they buy, and if they're a returning visitor, and more. This data isn't just fun to have, it can give you insights into your audience's behavior, which can help with planning better strategies for your advertising, website layout, web copy, target audience, outreach, social media content, and more. Where do marketing analysts go to find this type of data? There are a number of sites and services that will run website data for you. The primary one we'll talk about here is Google Analytics, which is a mostly free service run by Google that provides a massive amount of data on websites, as well as insights and reporting. Adobe Analytics is another big player in the space and offers paid enterprise-level website reporting and analytics tools comparable to Google. Website hosting and creation sites will also offer their own native analytics for customers. For example, Squarespace offers analytics tracking, and while not as robust as Google or Adobe, they are still helpful in knowing who is coming to a site and what they're viewing. Finally, dozens of other websites offer free and paid analytics tools for anyone wanting to use them and can offer alternative metrics or different ways to visualize your data. Different tools are going to present the data to you in different levels of analysis. You may enjoy taking the raw data and making sense of it, or you may prefer more analysis and have the tool create charts and insights for you. You may also prefer to go into an analytics dashboard at your leisure to pull down the raw data, or you may prefer receiving a compiled report once a week. All these options and more are available to you. You don't necessarily need to use only one tool either. Some web analytics platforms offer different types of metrics, so you may find it useful to use 2 or 3 to get the fullest picture of your site. Let's talk more about Google Analytics, since we'll be looking at it in the next few videos. Since Google Analytics is a free tool, anyone with a website who wants to use it can sign up for an account. As we saw earlier, Google will provide you with some tracking codes to add to your website, also known as the Google Analytics Global Site Tag, to collect data from your website. Then you can simply log into the Google Analytics dashboard to view metrics. Once the code is embedded in your site, anytime someone visits, Google Analytics attaches a unique identifier to the user, usually in the form of a cookie, and tracks their movement throughout the site. Each uniquely identified visitor is called a user, and each time they visit your site is called a session. While Google Analytics is free to use for any website, those looking for an enterprise-level analytics program can look to Google Analytics 360, which offers a larger scope of data collection for larger websites, more frequently refreshed data, and more comprehensive metrics. The latest version of Google Analytics is also referred to as G4. It integrates data from across sites and apps, collects data with or without cookies, and it is more event-focused rather than page view-focused. Page views were central in the older version of Google Analytics, but since users consume content on mobile devices where scrolling is more prominent, it's much harder to divide content up in pages, and hence page views have become less relevant. In our next video, we'll take a tour around Google Analytics and show you what it has to offer.